Ukrainian, and I come from Ukraine, even though I have a Ukrainian accent. And I like to eat with curry. M&M's curry. And I like to steal the hot fudge.
And I went on national television, and I almost killed the family. Yes.
People say I have a big head, but it's just my brain.
Took his gun and started shooting for he survived. And this is the encounter. Everything Spanish versus Telemundo.
It hurts, like right around here. You can turn it off now.
Telemundo is owned by NBC, NBC is owned by
Okay, I'll turn it off.
What's
that? It's still on.
It's off.
Premium.
In Spanish. You never saw the encounter in television. And he talks about our experience. And then Salvatore Giambanco. Remember Salvatore Giambanco was the painter that was going to be all the bases. This is the encounter in television.